Hello and Assalamu alaikum Metaverse millionaires. In our last video we have learned how to make Discord server on phone and how to add channels etc. Now in today's video we are going to learn how to set the number of users in a particular channel, how to assign different roles to members in our Discord server, and above all how to change the main notification setting. I bring to you videos related to metaverse earning, metaverse projects, profitable NFT projects, and much more. So, I hope you will join and love to share my content with others so that our community will be strong and active. Oh, yeah, and also don't forget to join our Discord server. So, let's jump right into today's video. Okay, dear Metaverse millionaires, before assigning roles and setting the number of users on our Discord server, why not update the notification setting? It's extremely important if we don't want our members to get irritated by irrelevant notifications. In fact, it's the most important thing once you make your own Discord server. Why? I'll tell you in a minute. First, click on these three dots, then click on notifications. You see by default the notification settings are set to all messages. You have to change it to only at the rate of mentions. This way, whenever someone sends you some message, only he or she will receive the message, not all the members will receive notifications. So let's say if you want to send me any message, you will write at the rate of Zindagi and only I will get notification instead of all the members. So do you understand now why this setting is important to change? Because you won't afford your members, your Discord members to leave your Discord server just because of this one error. So it's done now. Now let's talk about how to restrict the number of users in a particular voice channel. In other words, you can also say VC, voice channel. Whenever you want to restrict the number of users in a particular channel, you just have to hold that channel for a while and it will automatically take you to the setting area. By default, you can see the user limit is no limit, but we want to set it to a particular limit. Let's say we just want 5 users for this chatting channel. Let's say admin, moderator, manager, etc. So I have set the number of users to 5 and now I have to save this. For saving this, you have to click this blue icon. Channel settings have been saved. It's so simple. On any Discord server, you might have noticed that on clicking members list, you see certain roles assigned to members. For example, if I show you DTube Discord server, you see on top elected leaders, or at some other Discord server, you can see admins. Here you can see 4 elected leaders, then comes moderators, then translators, DTube followers, original DTubers. These are the roles they have assigned to their members, and you can see that in original DTuber channel my name is also there, so you can join my DTube channel and you will enjoy certainly. So how do we assign these roles? Come with me, I'll tell you. Let's go to our Discord server. This is my earning in metaverse. You will learn so much tricks, strategies, ways to earn in metaverse here on this Discord channel, inshallah. If you want to make roles on your Discord server, then go to your server, click on the three dots, click on settings, and then scroll down, click on roles. Use roles to organize your server members and customize their permissions. Not only you can assign roles, but you can also give them certain permissions. You can assign roles in the members page. Okay, let's assign a new role. New role. Role name is admin. Admin. And the color, I think, is green good. Select the green color for admin. Display role members separately from online members. Okay. This, if you tick this particular area, display role members separately from online members, it will prominent all the roles, right, on your Discord server. Now we have come to permissions. Allow members to view channels by default, excluding private channels. The admin can view channels. Admin, admin is the most powerful role. Always assign this role to someone who is reliable, or keep yourself admin. Allow members to create new roles and edit. And let me scroll down. I think we should leave this topic of permissions for our next video, right? Just we are talking on roles. We have assigned this role. Now we have to save this. This role has been made. Now let's assign other. No, role name is moderator, and the role color is purple. Select here. We have selected that and then we have saved. So in this way you can assign as many roles as you want. So now let's talk about how to assign that admin or mod roles to any user. Let's say I want to give Zindagi admin role. I have to hold this Zindagi for a while, and then it will take me to my settings. Now I have to scroll and see manage user. You have to click on manage user. Now whatever roles you already have made, you can assign role, mod role, or you can assign admin role. I'm not giving any role right now to any member because I haven't set the permissions for roles. Next time we'll talk about permissions and then I will assign my role. And hopefully you will also join my Discord server. Until then, see you in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.